Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel Friday Jumma Sunnahs, a step-by-step guide to making the most of Jumma. Friday, the blessed day of Jumma, holds a special place in the heart of every Muslim. It's a day of mercy, blessings, and spiritual renewal. Today, we'll guide you through the key Sunnahs of Jumma, step by step, so you can make the most out of this special day. 1. Take a Ghusl purification bath. The first Sunnah of Jumma is to perform Ghusl, the purification bath. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, encouraged believers to cleanse themselves physically to prepare for this important day, as narrated in Sahih Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. 2. Wear clean and best clothes. Another important Sunnah is to wear clean and fresh clothes, preferably the best that you have. Friday is the best day of the week, and it's a day to present ourselves in the best manner before Allah. 3. Apply perfume. Applying perfume before going to the mosque is a beautiful sunnah. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of attending the Friday prayer in a pleasant state, and using perfume as part of that preparation. 4. Recite Surah Al-Kahf. One of the great sunnahs of Jumma is reciting Surah Al-Kahf. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever recites Surah Al-Kahf on Friday, a light will shine for him between the 2 Fridays." Al-Hakim. 5. Go early to the masjid for Jumma prayer. Going early to the mosque is a highly recommended sunnah. The earlier you arrive, the more rewards you earn, as Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The earlier one goes, the greater the reward." Sahih Bukhari. 6. Listen attentively to the khutbah. During the Jumma khutbah, it's essential to listen attentively without distractions. The sermon is a time of reflection and guidance. The Prophet, peace be upon him, instructed us not to talk or play during the khutbah, as it diminishes the spiritual benefits. 7. Make dua after Jumma prayer. After Jumma prayer, it's a sunnah to make dua and seek Allah's forgiveness. This is a special time when prayers are more likely to be answered. These simple but powerful sunnahs of Jumma help us gain immense spiritual benefits and connect deeper with our Creator. May we all be able to follow these practices and receive the countless blessings of Jumma. Jazakallah khair for watching.